HBAR Hedera is at the top of its game when it comes to cryptographic tokens out there, and I think this coin, which screams with potential, fundamentals, top tier utility and pumpermentals, this coin right here, HBAR Hedera, has of course got the potential to 10, 20 and even 30x your money in the future, right guys? So let's talk about how, why I think these things, these particular events could happen. Now, to be honest, this coin just got rejected at a very key level of resistance, and I know it's upset some people out there in the crypto markets, but hey, Bitcoin is cooling down. We are seeing a bit of a cool down overall in the crypto markets, a pullback down to $1.68 trillion. But I just want to talk about HBAR Hedera really, and why, you know, when I see the red days for this particular project, it doesn't upset me. I don't get upset. I don't get annoyed at all. And even though we saw nice highs recently, higher than what we're seeing now, actually up to 0.10, we have seen that 20% correction over the sort of 30 days. It doesn't worry me. Now, if you're looking to make some potential crypto gains in these markets, do make sure you subscribe to the channel. I do put a lot of effort and energy into making content for you guys. And yeah, get yourself down below into the Jacob Crypto Clan, our Discord channel, which is down below, waiting for you guys as well. So especially you traders out there, please get yourself cozy. So we can see the global live crypto markets, of course, have been very euphoric following the spot Bitcoin ETFs. But as of recent, we're seeing that euphoria kind of diminish slightly, and we are seeing also the greed in the markets actually cool down a little bit. And as a result, we're seeing a lot of altcoins as well as Bitcoin, you know, the top dog, cool down simultaneously. So HBAR Hedera, what really makes a good project is the fact that it can actually have a bit of resilience when it comes to its market capital dominance. And by market cap dominance, this means the total percentage or the value of the particular cryptocurrency you're looking at versus the global market capital for cryptocurrency. So if that makes sense, for example, it means right now HBAR Hedera is worth 0.16% of the total cryptocurrency market, being 1.68 trillion, which we just spoke about. So that gives HBAR Hedera, with its 0.16% valuation, a $2.677 billion valuation. Now, if this was $26 billion, a 10x, of course, the market dominance would then be 1.6%. And the coin has actually really held its market dominance well, and only projects with true utility, fundamentals, actually hold on to their market dominance value. Most of them slip away and just diminish into nothing, especially if the team runs away, or it's a complete shitcoin, or it's just a project that's got nothing going for it. But ones like this can potentially move more to the upside. And I am really speculating here that we are going to see HBAR Hedera maybe do a 5 or 10x at one point in time on its market capital dominance. But then what happens if the overall cryptocurrency sector does a 5 or 10x as well? And by that I mean, what if the market capital goes to $8 trillion, but then Hedera's market dominance also does a 3x, let's say to 0.5%, you're going to see the valuation of HBAR Hedera at 0.5% of $8 trillion. So 0.5% of $8 trillion would be the valuation, which would give it a crazy valuation. I'm trying to think what that would be. Right now, I think it would be 40 billion. Did I get that right or wrong? I don't know. Someone will have to confirm it, but I think that could be a 40 billion valuation for HBAR Hedera, which would actually give that a nice 15x based on those particular figures right there. And of course, you know, the crypto markets could expand further and further. What happens when we see a $50 trillion industry? It's going to happen one day, right? We're going to exceed gold. We're going to see the S&P money flow into cryptocurrency, all that old dinosaur boomer money in stocks. Eventually, when we see more adoption, more institutions, more banks, more governments want to, of course, get involved with cryptocurrency and blockchain, I think things will look much better. Anyway, what's happened is we had, of course, a really nice accumulation phase, which we've missed now from October 2020. So a long time ago, where Hedera was valued in at 0.0288. And to be fair, when you do look at it, okay, you could actually argue that in 3 years, the price is only like 188% higher than back then, which isn't really a significant amount. But what I have sort of identified is we've got this key resistance area here where we're getting rejected every time at 0.1 and it's happening time and time again. We're on the daily time frame. You can see every time that this RSI over here, the relative strength index, gets a little bit overbought. We're looking at 77 here. We're always seeing a rejection. However, we might actually see a little bit of consolidation around these levels, and if we do see that consolidation, there could be a good chance that we might get, you know, that positive continuation to the upside, which would be really, really good to see here. But 0.1 is still the big major area that we need to see a breakthrough. And unless that happens right now, it's still, you know, we're still potentially in a downtrend. We've seen this number before. We saw it in February 2023. You had a chance to get in these extreme fear zones, which were down here at 0.046. And this is euphoria stage once again. So this could just be another 30%, 40% correction. The second chance to get in before the big pumps post the Bitcoin halving, which is coming up very, very soon. So bear that in mind, folks, that we are still really, really looking good from the all-time high of $0.56. Now, another thing to consider when it comes to these sort of tokens, guys, is the circulating supply. 67% of the circulating supply is, of course, circulating of the overall 50 billion cap right there. Now, what that tells me is if you were to see the rest of the supply injected, it would actually reduce the price significantly. And when we look over here at the previous market capital, we had a $6.79 billion market cap over there in 2021. And that is only around 2.5 times higher than the current market capital. But if you look at the price, then you can actually see the price was like way over, I want to say like 7x higher, about 7x higher. So the price was 7x higher, but the market capital was just 2.5x higher. That tells you, of course, the unit cost all-time high is going to be harder to achieve. So realistically, guys, if you are looking at crypto, don't look at the price per coin as an all-time high target. Be looking at, you know, not financial advice, but be looking at the market capital. That's what you should be looking at, the valuation of the project. Now, before we move on to a bit of news and other things on HBAR Hedera, if you are a trader out there, you want to make some shmoney in these crypto markets, we have put together what I believe to be one of the best crypto discords where you can unlock over 500 trading signals per month. So what you do is you check out the Patreon right down below. There's a link. You click on that link, you subscribe to either Crypto Legend, Crypto Champion, or Crypto Warrior, or whichever one is more suited to your budget. And then from there, you access the Discord channel, which is right here. And from there, you're going to get all the trading signals that you can see on screen right here, which people can access every single day. And we are doing our best to ensure that we've got the best quality, a great output of signals, and it just helps people, of course, have trading signals they can use. If you're a busy person, you've got a family, kids to feed, you're working hard, this will give you that information quickly, and you can go based on that. So yeah, really, really good trading signals, over 500. There's also like DEX launches, stealth launches, ICOs, much more stuff there as well. So do check it out. And whilst you're at it, sign up to MEXC, guys, my favorite exchange where I'm doing all of my trading at the moment. All my trading is done on MEXC, no KYC, tiny fee. So if you're a trader, if you're a whale, if you care about making every single penny or cent go as far as possible, because that shit compounds over time, right? Make sure you sign up to MEXC. Link is down below, and more trades equals more bonuses when you use my link right there as well, guys. So we can see on CoinCodex 2030, they think HBAR Hedera hit 0.68. That would be an official price, all-time high. That would also result in a pretty large market capitalization, 0.68. You're looking at almost a $20 billion market cap. So I think these numbers are realistic. A 10x is 26 bill, 20x 52 bill, a 30x would be like 70 odd billion, right? And I think we could honestly see this happen for this particular project. If you believe it can happen, smash that subscribe button, like, comment, let me know what you think. And you can look at this, look, December 04, 2023, Envision partners with HBAR and UN on new digitization platform for carbon markets. So this is huge. It's being recognized. Massive team up here, huge potential. Envision, blockchain, and the HBAR Foundation have teamed up with the UN to create a new suite of decentralized tech to streamline the complex carbon market. So this is really, really cool. Of course, aligning blockchain with green forces. When climate is in the forefront of the mind, that's how you get out to the big governments, the big partners and stuff. So there's a lot of bullish partnerships. The ecosystem is humongous. It's wild. It's massive. And for that reason, I think, this should absolutely be on most people's lists in the crypto space. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching. Stay crypto safe. And remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Bye for now.